Hello and welcome into this new lesson. Today we will talk about the third step, which is the final step, soldering. You simply need to place your soldering iron onto the contact to melt the solder. When the solder in the contact melts, slide the wire into the contact. Then remove the iron and hold the wire still while the solder solidifies again. You will see the solder set as it goes hard. This should all take around 1 to 3 seconds. A good solder joint will be smooth and shiny. If the joint is dull and crinkly, the wire probably moved during soldering. If you have taken too long, it will have solder spikes. If it doesn't go so well, you may find the insulation has melted or there is too much stripped wire showing. If this is the case, you should desolder the joint and start again. This step is the easiest one because if you did step 1 and 2 in the correct way, it will be so easy for you to solder, which is the final step. If you did anything wrong, it will affect the whole soldering process. So make sure that you did everything the right way or desolder if you are not satisfied with the results. Thanks for watching this lesson. If you have any question, please add them in the Q&A bar. We are here to help you. Happy learning and thanks for watching.